role of the operating system. In this chapter, we are going to learn what is the role of an operating system. Let us understand the importance of an operating system with the help of an example. So I am going to give you a real life example how operating system is working on your computer. When we visit a restaurant, many of you have gone, we are taken care of by a waiter. So waiter is sitting over there, standing over there, and he is taking care of all our needs. We give all the instructions to the waiter. Go and bring coffee, go bring biscuits, go bring chowmein. All these things we are ordering to the waiter. And he coordinates with the departments such as food department, beverages department, means juice making department, and last, whenever you are leaving the restaurant, you have to pay. So all these things are cared by waiter. Just look at this image of how this waiter is taking care of our needs whenever we are going in the restaurant. Just look at just the way a waiter takes our instructions and coordinates with different departments to give us what we desire. An operating system also coordinates with different software programs that we are having on our computer, like Photoshop, like Paint, like MS Word. So all these are software. So who is taking care of it? Your operating system is taking care of it. Just like the waiter is taking care in the restaurant, same thing. In your computer, your operating system is taking care of the software, the hardware. Software means Photoshop, Paint, MS Word. Hardware means printer, mouse, keyboard, monitor. All these are taken care by your operating system. So just see this figure how waiter is taking care all those things in the restaurant. See here this man in the center is a waiter, and whenever you are visiting in the restaurant, this man is taking care of our need. See here juice department, kitchen department, and suppose you are sitting on the table, and here the billing department. So all this man is looking after all these requirements. Same thing your operating system. Whatever things that are happening on your computer is taken care by the operating system. Okay, so some functions of the operating systems are, let's talk about some functions. It controls the working of different hardware devices, means your keyboard, your mouse, your monitor attached to your computer is taken care by this man, this software. This is not a man, this software. Its name is operating system. Other function of your operating system, it keeps track of all the programs on which users are working. So suppose you are working, then who is taking care? Your operating system. So it controls the hardware devices, keeps track of all running programs, interacts with users. All these things are done by your operating system. Another function of your operating system, it takes commands from the users, just like whenever you are typing something from the keyboard. So who is helping you? Operating system is helping you from the and manages the operation of the computer accordingly. So it takes commands from the users. Users means we. Users means we, and manages the operation of the computer accordingly. Suppose you are typing from the keyboard and you want that typing should go onto the printer. So printer will take care your typing. It will be processed by processor. So operating system will take your information from the keyboard and send it to the processor, from processor to printer. So this way it works. Thanks for this class. In the next class we will discuss